team of monitoring and evaluation for the projects being undertaken by our engineers brigade. We are here at this site of the terminal that was contracted to engineers brigade, and we came as a follow-up because we were here some 5 months ago, and we had undertaken to come back. That time we expected to find all works completed. We've come, we find that there has been tremendous progress. The main thing that time was putting up this canopy, which we can now see. However, we've been told when we left there were some new works which were added on to the original contract. The reason the completion date was revised, and we are told by end of this month, next month, they should be good to go. Our impression as a team, having got a brief and visited, is that we see the intent of the Commander-in-Chief being realized. To see our engineers undertaking such gigantic works on an airport, work that has been a preserve of foreigners, is so gratifying to we as country people, we as the military. We think we see light at the end of the tunnel, and we are satisfied. We are looking forward that whatever little they have told us they are working on will be on time, so that this facility is ready and in time for the activities the country is headed for. Many visitors who are coming for the big events in this country, and it will be a pride to us as UPDF. So we are satisfied because the clients have told us that, to their judgment, the work is really almost ahead of schedule given the circumstances. We hope by September, even our other clients who are the customers who use this airport will be happy once the site is cleared, and from what we are seeing, the floors are being worked on. We think the population will be proud about their own army. There has been big works, especially of these structures, what do you call them? Those which were used to anchor the canopy. Initially, I think there had been a thinking that they would be imported from very far, but our engineers made a revaluation, and they've told us that all the big work we are seeing, materials, were 85%, 95% Ugandan and 5% from within East Africa. And we've been told at every stage they go through the necessary testing to see that the materials meet the required standards. And what is gratifying, seeing the machinery here, some of the building materials are being produced on site. Like I think the pavers, we saw pavers of high quality, and we think as we continue to lobby that the engineers brigade gets capacity in terms of equipment, even more materials may be made on site.